Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to block a domain using Google Workspace. Whether you're aiming to prevent unwanted emails or safeguard your business from spam, mastering domain management is essential. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, open Google Workspace. If you're not familiar, Google Workspace is a suite of productivity tools designed to help businesses and individuals collaborate more effectively. Once you're in, locate the admin console, your central hub for managing services and settings across your Google Workspace account. Next, log in using your business email account. Ensure you have the necessary administrative privileges, as some options might not be available to non-admin users. After logging in, click Next or Sign In to proceed to the main dashboard. In the upper right corner of the screen, find the Google Apps menu. Click on it to reveal various app options related to Google Workspace. From this menu, find and click on the admin icon. This is where most administrative tasks occur, including setting up domain restrictions. Now, navigate to the Apps section, which contains all application settings available under your Google Workspace account. Select Google Workspace from this menu, then click on Gmail. We focus on Gmail because our task involves blocking unwanted domains from sending emails to your organization. Inside the Gmail settings, direct your attention to the spam, phishing, and malware settings. These settings are crucial for managing what gets filtered and blocked in terms of emails entering your domain. Look for the option labeled Blocked Senders and click on it to specify which domains or email addresses should be blocked from sending mail. Once you're in the Blocked Senders area, click on Configure. You'll be prompted to type in a description for your configuration. This step is helpful for tracking different rules, especially if you're managing several domains. Choose Use Existing List to decide whether you'd like to block a new domain or select from a list you've already created. Ensure the domain or email you want blocked is included. To finalize, type a custom rejection notice. This message will be sent to any blocked domains, notifying them of their restriction. Finally, remember to click Save to apply the changes. Your settings will now prevent emails from the blocked domain, maintaining a secure and clutter-free environment for your team. Effectively blocking domains helps streamline your communication channels and maintains focus, ensuring your Google Workspace remains efficient and productive. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.